Hello, children. Now let us see the relationship between volume and capacity. So we know that volume refers to the amount of space inside the object. It's usually measured in millimeter cube, centimeter cube, and meter cube. Then what is capacity? Capacity refers to the quantity an object can hold. The common units to measure the capacity are milliliters, liters, and kiloliters. So volume means the space within the three-dimensional shape. And what is capacity? Capacity means how much quantity the object can hold. So the object can hold is in the form like a liquid or something. So liquids are measured in liters, milliliters, and kiloliters. So the common units of capacity are milliliters, liters, and kiloliters. Now let us see the conversions of units of volume. The basic conversion which we know is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 1 centimeter cube, as the units of volume are cubic units, then 1 centimeter cube. How can we write 1 centimeter cube as 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter? So replacing 1 centimeter with the 10 millimeters, we get 10 millimeters into 10 millimeters into 10 millimeters, which is equal to 10 into 10 into 10,000 millimeter cube. So therefore 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 millimeter cube. And the other conversion which we know is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So therefore 1 meter cube will become 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeters. Replacing 1 meter with 100 centimeters, we get 100 centimeters into 100 centimeters into 100 centimeters. So which is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube. So these two are the basic conversions. Even to we can convert 1 kilometer in 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters also, and we can do the conversion. So basic conversion is 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 millimeter cube, and 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube. And next, the conversions of units of capacity. So the units of capacity are liters, milliliters, and kiloliters. So the basic conversions, only two conversions. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml milliliters, and 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. And the next one is relation between units of volume and units of capacity. So why we need to find the relationship between units of volume and units of capacity? Because if you take a cuboidal box, like a cuboidal tank on the roof, on the terrace of our house, if we see that the tank is in the form of a cuboid. So cuboid, the measurements of cuboid are in meters, whereas the quantity it can hold, that means it will hold water. The units of water, the units used to measure water is liters. That means cuboid is in meters and water is in liters. Cuboidal tank is in meters and water is in liters. So there is a relation between meters and liters. Meters is the unit for volume and liters is the unit for capacity. So there is a relationship between volume and capacity. So what is that basic relation is 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. So if we take a cube of 1 centimeter, if we pour water into that, it can store 1 milliliter of water. Just like example, if we take the 1 cube from your Rubik's cube, so it is 1 centimeter. All the dimensions of that small cube will be 1 centimeter. So if we pour water into that cube can hold 1 milliliter of water. So this is the basic conversion. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. Now let us see one more. Then 1000 centimeter cube. We have discussed 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. Then 1000 centimeter cube will become 1000 milliliters, which is equal to 1 liter. And 1 meter cube. So there is a relationship between 1 meter cube also. We know, we have seen in the previous one that 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube, which can be written as 1000 into 1000 centimeter cube. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So replacing 1000 centimeter cube with 1 liter, we get 1000 into 1 liter, 1000 liters. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter. Thank you.